Thank you, Commissioner. My question is about concessions for hybrid and electric cars for returning residents or returning citizens. Thanks.
If we don't have any question, then okay. When you say returning, is that brand new or used? Okay, just to clarify that because they mentioned something earlier.
For returning citizens, there has already been an incentive or a law that enables you to come back home with your vehicle, which you have been using wherever you've been. The only point to take note of, please don't bring one that is older than 15 years because it will not be allowed in. That is now outlawed as contraband. If it is beyond 9 years, you can bring it, but it will pay an environmental levy because it's polluting our environment. In other words, if you have your brand new car or 1 or 2 years old, return with it, it will be received tax-free because you're a returning citizen. That is already in the law, and you can take advantage of it. The only distinction is when you drive it or you get it registered, it will be having a red number plate. So wherever you meet it, you'll know this car never paid tax, but it's okay, it will be your car. If you want to sell it to another person, you will have to, that person will have to move it into ordinary number plates and they will have to pay tax. So you have to own it and drive it. It's for your use. Now, if you're planning to bring an electric car or even an electric boda or motorcycle, the new law now has allowed these ones to come in tax-free. This is just to promote the green economy, as we discussed earlier. So whether you're a citizen returning or you're an investor, you'll bring these cars or bodas duty-free under the new law.
Commissioner, we had a question on electric. Does the law cover hybrid vehicles as well? Is that a yes?
Yes, it is. Electric and hybrid.
So if I bring myself a hybrid, it's zero tax?
It is.
Okay.
Clarification on the issue of returning citizens. There is one small condition which I should have mentioned, otherwise you'll run into trouble if you don't fulfill it. You need to have owned this car for at least a year. Okay? So you're a returning citizen, you want to bring your vehicle duty-free, make sure you've owned it and the ownership is evidenced in your logbook for at least 12 months. Anything short of that, you will not get the exemption. And you know the reasons why the law is that strict. So if your friend says, bring me a car and you buy it tomorrow and you put it on the boat, then you won't get that exemption benefit.